Hi everyone, Miss Quinn here. So I'm just going to talk you through really quickly how to get onto the Readon website, which is linked to Accelerated Reader, which we already use in school. So you need to go onto Google and you need to type into your search bar https readon.myon.co.uk. And once you've typed that in and press enter, this website should appear. If it doesn't appear, you can search through Google. So once you see this, you're going to press on Start Reading. What that then does is it brings you onto the Browse tool, which is going to show you all the different categories of reading that you can get in. So as you can see down below, you've got over 7,000 books that you can read, and there's lots of different categories that you could go into. So you've got things like fairy tales and longer books and adventure books. So I'm going to go into my favourite category, which is scary stories. Now, actually, there is a book in here that I would really recommend, and it's the one about the teacher that forgets too much. I really liked this book. It was fantastic. I enjoyed reading this one. So what you would do is you would press on the blue button down below to get more information. Now, here on the side, you can see it tells you what year groups this book is recommended for. So anybody from year 4 to year 7. Each book tells you the age. If you then press on to details, it brings up a new screen, and what this does is it actually tells you which accelerated reader quiz that it links to. So you can then log into Accelerated Reader afterwards and continue to take your quizzes like you're used to in school. So if you come back out of this one, we'll have another look at some different books. So there's lots down here. This is still in the scary stories section. So there's lots and lots available. Or we could go back to Browse and have a look at some different features. So if I choose a different category, so down here I'm going to go into a different one. And I'm going to pick on this one here, so mysteries. And then again, lots and lots of different books come up. I'm going to pick one with a dragon in it because I love stories about dragons. So the same thing here again, tells you the year groups this is recommended to, so from year 4 to year 10. And then the details in there tells you the accelerated reader quiz for the end. So if we press down here to read the book, it loads the book up for you. It's fantastic. Press on that and then you've got your book front cover. So you scroll through it like an ebook. And one of the really brilliant tools that this has got in here is it has a dictionary. So for example, I'm going to type in the word myth that I can see on the end here. And what it does is it helps you find the meanings of these words. So lots and lots of really amazing things in here. So remember, once you've had a go at it, you can log straight into Accelerated Reader and have a go at the quiz that it tells you the number for on there. So enjoy reading, guys.